Welcome to First at 4, I'm Grant Sweeter. Here's a quick look at today's trending stories. Total positive COVID-19 cases in South Dakota are approaching 5,000. The State Department of Health announced 83 new positive cases this morning, bringing the total throughout the pandemic to 4,793 cases. The number of active cases in the state is now at 1,041, up 4 from Wednesday. You can find the latest on the COVID-19 pandemic on the coronavirus page right now on KELLLAND.com. The current coronavirus pandemic has brought many surprises for doctors around the world. For one, in Sioux Falls, it was when she contracted the virus. Dr. Leah Prestbow is a physician at Avera McGreevy Clinic in Sioux Falls. She has 10 years of experience, and she contracted COVID-19 back in April and contracted it unknowingly from a coworker who tested positive. You can find the Avera doctor's story online right now. South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem finished up a media briefing moments ago. Sanford Health Chief Medical Officer Dr. Allison Suttle also took part in the conversation, along with Secretary of Health Kim Malsom-Risden. Suttle says the clinical trial involving hydroxychloroquine is called PEPCO. She helped address some of the concerns with the medication. You can find more on today's briefing from the governor in this story online right now. In a KELLLAND.com original, now online, 3 of 5 states in the region had higher initial or new unemployment rates for the week ending in May 16th, according to the U.S. Department of Labor. Fewer South Dakotans filed for unemployment during the week ending May 16th. There were 3,410 filings, but not every state in the region was so lucky. Numbers rose in Iowa, Nebraska, and North Dakota. KELLLAND digital reporter Ray Yost takes a deep dive into the numbers right now in this KELLLAND.com original report online. From the Capitol News Bureau in Pierre, just months after receiving state government's support on a $4.5 million bond issue to help pay for an expansion project, a North Sioux City company came back Thursday for another $4.5 million after deciding against raising the money through other means. Femco, based in North Sioux City, describes itself as the largest manufacturer of lawn and garden sprayers in the nation. The South Dakota Value Added Finance Authority members voted 6-0 to back another $4.5 million of bonds. You can read more on this story online right now. Scroll down in the First at 4 story for a look at today's forecast from the KELLLAND Live Doppler HD Storm Center. That's First at 4 on this Thursday afternoon. I'm Grant Sweeter. For the latest updates, download the KELLLAND News app.